Hello everyone, welcome again. Today we are going to start NCERT Class 7, Chapter 7 of Civics, Understanding Advertisement. We people are surrounded by advertisements. In all around us we are watching advertisements in one or the other form. We watch advertisements on television, radio, we listen these ads on radio and in newspapers and magazines. Also we people are seeing advertisements. Then in our surroundings we people see moldings where ad of one or the other item is given. Then while we are moving in taxi or by auto, then also on the way also we are watching advertisements everywhere. What is the main motive of these advertisements? The main motive of these advertisements is to attract people towards the product which they are advertising. And why advertisement is done? It is done to increase the sale. For example, I am having pamphlets, and in these pamphlets, advertisement is given. In here, it is given for we can say it is related with education field and it is related with our day-to-day things. It means through these advertisements, it is shown to the customer that you must visit that place and you will get discount on that, or you will be, and on listening all these things we will be attracted towards that. We can say that the main purpose of advertising is to increase the sale. Advertisement is done through pamphlets, leaflets also. It is the way of promoting sale of the particular thing. We can say if someone is doing advertisement, then it gives the message about the particular product which is to be sold, and the product in every advertisement only positive points are shown so that the people may be attracted towards that and the sale of the product may be increased. Now it comes to our mind why advertisements are done. It draws our attention towards the product. It creates interest to buy the product, because as in advertisement only positive points of the particular product are shown, so we people are easily attracted towards that product and we people insist to that to take only that much of product. Then it sets we can see lots of flexi boards around us. On their advertisement of each one or the other item has been given. Then movies, if we go to watch movie also starts with the advertisement, and intervals also we can see advertisements. When we people are using internet, in the use of internet also on time and time advertisements are shown of a particular thing. Then in using internet also we see, then we watch advertisements following us. In everywhere we people go, there we watch advertisements. Then what is now the question arises, what is advertisement? What does advertisement do? And how they attract us? Why people make advertisements? And what is the benefit of these advertisements? We can say that advertisement, when someone shows positive points of a particular thing so that people may buy that product and the income may come to that person, that is called advertisement. Then how does advertisement do? What does advertisement do? It attracts people towards a particular thing. It makes our mind that this thing is the best and we are to buy only this much of thing. Then how they attract us? They attract us because always positive points of the product are shown and they are presented in such a way that anybody can be led by those advertisements. Then why people make advertisements? People make advertisements so that there will be sale, too much sale of their product, and they may be having money because it is a source of income. If the sale is much, then income will also come. Then it is the, we can say, source of their income. Then what is the benefit? Benefit is this, that they will get income from these advertisements. When advertisement is shown, then we people are attracted towards that advertisement. We people think that only and only this product is the best and we are to buy only this product. And advertisement do building of brands. Sometimes what happens? We can say main persons or big great personalities do the advertisement of some particular thing. Then when they are doing the advertisement, it means people are attracted. People think that if this personality is using this thing, then why shouldn't we? They also try to use that thing, and slowly what happens, that thing becomes a brand. So we have seen that these attract our attention towards the product, and we see these advertisements all around us in one or the other form, and we can see we are easily led by these advertisements, and they make the brand. For any product, we people are having branding. For example, if we people are using dal, it is a very common thing. It is used in each and every house, and it is consumed in every house. In market, dal is available in loose packing and in packed material, we can say. Then the seal pack also is available there. Advertisement says the loose dal is having no advertisement, and the packed dal or sealed dal is doing the advertisement that they are giving the best quality to the consumers, and it means we can say that they are telling the positive points, because in one or the other way they are to take the people into their confidence. And brand makes our values and social values. For example, we are having any product. For example, we are taking dal, and there is dal in top taste dal and best dal. Because sometimes what happens, by name we people are also attracted. We must be attracted by top taste dal as compared to best dal, or we can say loose dal, or good taste we can also say. But we people will prefer top taste dal, because the consumer is easily led by the name which the given is to the particular product. Now comes brand values and social values. Advertisements are a part of social and cultural life. We judge people from the things of brand which they people are using. If someone is using a branded product, then we people think, it is the common thinking of the people that he or she is very rich because she or he is using branded product. Then when guests come to our house, we always try to give them the best. We always, for example, we people are having the example of dal in here. If we are making dal, then we will give them the best dal to eat, which may be a branded product, we can say. Because branded things are costly, because it costs. Why the branded dal costs much? Because first it is a branded thing, because they have spent so much money on its advertisement. Then it comes to us in a packed material, packing is good. Then they say that it is fully organic dal it is here. Then so much money is spent on advertising this product. Then they people, because when there is advertisement done, then only good points of the thing are shown to us. Then they also say that they maintain quality in the branded product. Then we are having the example of dal. Then they say that this dal is having longer shelf life. Then less pest infestation is there, because no insect will affect the dal. Then because these are found in a airtight container or airtight packaging is there. These all are the points which see when a branded value, because these things are attracted with the common feelings of the people. When they see that great personality is using a branded product, they also think that we should also use this thing, because it also affects our social and cultural life. Now what is brand? It is built for a product. It is putting a stamp with a particular name and sign. Then when a brand is set up, then a kind of standardization is also set up in the society. Whenever we people go to mall, we see many outlets there. Then what happens? It creates a feeling of superiority. Whenever someone goes to a special outlet, then he or she feels that he is superior in the society and they are using the branded products. Then it is also a status symbol for some people to go to the factory outlets. Then it gives value to the product. It is a common, we can say, thinking of the people that branded products have a much longer life than compared to local made things. Then comes the household industry. It is also known as a small scale industry. For example, we are having a person who is making pickle. Whenever he is making pickle, he is selling them in open jar or in loose. He may sell the pickle. On the other hand, we people are having packed pickle. Then the person who is selling in open jar or in loose quantity, it means he or she is belonging to small scale industry. Whenever we are having packed pickle, it means we are having factory made products. Then what happens? Brand affects small scale industry. The packed thing or branded thing affects the small scale industry. It tries to bring out special values to the product. It can make the product very much appealing. Maybe the packaging will be very good, or the wording which has been written on that product, may that be very good. So we cannot judge anything on the basis of just brand. We should go for quality. We should see which quality is the best, whether in open jar, the thing which we are having in open jar, or whether which we people are having in packed material. So we have seen that brand so much affects our minds, and we are easily led by the branded things. So we must not move after the things. We must see the quality of the product which we people are going to use. It may be branded or it may be unbranded. Advertising and emotions. Because these advertisements are related with our personal emotions, they are attached to our personal emotions. Whenever a product is to be released in the market, then what is done? Lots of money is spent on that, and a survey is held in the market that which the consumption of which type of product is much more there. Then lots of market research is also done there. Then the thinking and mentality of the people is observed, that how much money they are ready to spend on which type of product. Then best caption is seen so that people may be attracted towards that thing. Then the final advertisement comes in the market. It costs a lot of money. It is very expensive. Only large companies can afford to do the advertisements. Small scale industries or small companies can't afford this advertisement. Now what is the reality? We people see that sometimes great personalities are doing the advertisement of a product. Then the real scenario is that the models who are doing the advertisement, they are charging too much money. Sometimes the cost goes up to 5 lakh. For the advertisement of 30 seconds in TV channels, it costs 15 lakh. And for a colored advertisement in the newspaper, it costs about 8.3 lakh. So we have seen that so much money is spent on the advertisement, and small scale industries can't afford it. Only big companies can afford it. Whenever so much of money is spent on these advertisements, then in one or the other way the companies are to take money from we people only. So that's why the branded products or the things which are being sold by the companies, those products are very costly. We see that packed products have a negative effect on the small scale industries. There is a lack of respect due to packed products coming of packed products in the market. There is lack of respect for the small scale industries. We people should go for quality. Whichever is giving our best quality, we should go for only that thing only. Then branded products, what branded products are doing? They focus mainly on the rich people. Whenever a common person is not able to purchase a branded product, then he or she is unhappy that they are unable to have that particular product. Then how is advertising made easy? It is not easy to make the advertisement because lots of market research is done before doing it, and lots of money is also spent on that, and people made to buy certain product. It associates them with that particular brand or product. So we have seen in this chapter that advertisement affects a lot upon our mind. It makes our mind to purchase a particular type of thing because we people are easily attracted towards the things which whenever advertisement is done, then they made the product attractive, they made the captions attractive, so that common people will be easily led by that. But the one thing is clear, that we people must go for quality. Okay, this was all about this chapter. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.